Hello. My mom will be right back. She's just getting me some juice because I'm really thirsty. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
Hi there, welcome to Real Girl Thrift. I am doing a garage sale today. It's actually a Friday. It might rain tomorrow, which is Saturday. So I have some yard signs I'm gonna put out in 3 different places so that people know that there's a garage sale here. So hopefully I'll get some people. It will be me and my 6-year-old daughter. I am going to show you what I'm going to try to sell. So I have been in the garage for a couple weeks working through tubs of stuff that I have had just forever, throwing stuff, finding stuff to sell. My goal today, and there's all the like empty boxes and trash. My goal today is to make at least $120. That will pay for my daughter's swim classes. So here's some of the things I'm gonna sell over here. I will turn the camera around so you can get a better look. Whoops. So here's some things we're gonna sell. I made tubs of different boxes. So this is like $3 each. This is 50 cents each. I have a box back here full of books, $2 each. I heard that if you have a free box that it kind of entices people. So this stuff is all free. And then we have a $1 bucket here. We have baby clothes down here. And I'm gonna put all this stuff out in the driveway. Then I just have some random like cooking stuff, different random stuff here. Have a couple end tables to sell. My daughter made a 25 cents each. We got to get some more items in there. We are going to try to sell this dining room table with 3 chairs, even though it's pretty marked up. We've got a few like baby items over here, and I have some clothes as well. So we're gonna see how that does. Hopefully it will be a success. I will keep you updated. And my garage has gotten a lot cleaner because it took weeks to like purge out the stuff we didn't need and still kind of keep things in totes that I want to save, like dishes and just memorable stuff. But yeah, I got rid of a lot of stuff. It feels good. So yeah, hopefully today will be a success. I'm just gonna be accepting cash at the garage sale. So what I did, I don't know if this is gonna be good enough, is I took $40 and I changed it into 4 5s and $20 ones, 21s. And then I have some random change in here, so hopefully that will be good enough. Going to put the signs out. We're gonna put them in 3 different places, so people are driving will know we're having a garage sale. You can put it on the grass somewhere.
Okay.
So 2 sales already, right, Ab?
Yeah.
What did we sell so far?
3 man, 3 move and a bucket.
And a bucket. We sold the 3 Hear No, See No, Speak No for $3. And your Minnie Mouse bucket we had for $1, but she only had 85 cents.
Yes.
So we gave it to her for 85 cents. And now we're almost done bringing everything out. So
yeah.
Not bad for the first 5 minutes, right, Ab?
Yep.
He wanted tools, but we don't have any tools, right, Ab?
Yeah.
So how much money have you made so far? 85 cents?
You want to see?
Yeah. You're keeping all your earnings in your basket there. Very nice. Hopefully he doesn't run in the street. You checking it out, bub? So the furniture is not selling well. We are going to lower the price of the table with the 3 chairs to $30 and see what happens. So you made $2 more on one of your jackets? $38 so far in about 3 hours. Come on, come on. So it's pretty hot out here. It's almost 90 degrees. So what are you gonna do to cool off?
I'm a device and a fruit bath with really cold water and really cold ice, and I'm gonna put the ice into the fruit bath.
Okay, let's see you do it. There's your foot bath. You got some ice in this bag. Oh.
A chunk of ice though.
And we're still waiting. Still waiting. It's a waiting game. Waiting and hoping and praying and wishing.
A block of ice.
There's some ice. And Bubby's doing good, saying hi to everybody. Right, Bub? And everybody loves him. Doing good, Bub.
Oh. I did it, guys.
Okay, let's see it.
It's freezing cold.
Oh, shh. Ooh. All right, dip the feet in.
I'm scared.
Test it out.
Guys, Frey, I can do this.
You can do this. I dare you to do it.
I'm nervous.
You can do it. You can do it.
Oh.
My husband used to do paintings, so we're putting these out for 30 bucks a piece. He said someone offered him $750 for this at an art show. Should have taken it then, Sonny. But yeah, he's very talented.
And our dad painted this.
The sale's over, boob. I'm just gonna keep these sunglasses on. It is like 90 degrees. I had to wrap things up. So I started the garage sale about 8:45 and I wrapped it up at about 2:15 because it's like, feels like over 90 degrees outside in Texas. And people really stopped coming at about 11:30. Maybe got like a couple more people after that, but nobody bought anything. So a couple takeaways of the garage sale, some tips if you're thinking of doing one, what worked for me and what didn't work. So I'm gonna start by sharing what didn't work very well. So I got some yard sale signs at the at the dollar store. Of course, I don't want to pay that much. I'm trying to make money on the garage sale. So I got the signs, I think they were like $1.25 a piece. They said garage sale on them, and then I just with a Sharpie wrote our address on it. And then they had like this plastic stick on it that you can shove into the ground. So I got 3 of them and I placed them, one at the end of our street, one like at a more of a busy turnoff close by our street, and then one by the school where they could easily find our house. I stuck the first 2 in the ground, and then we were on the way to stick the 3rd one in the ground by the school. Well, the ground and the dirt at the school wasn't as soft as it was closer to my house. So I got bit a couple times by some bugs, and then also the stick broke when I was putting it in. So I get back to the car and I'm like, my sign's not working, it's broken, I don't even know what to do. And do we have tape? No. So my husband had a little hair tie. So he gave me the hair tie. So I went back out. I took part of the stick where it broke, and then I wrapped the hair tie around this pole that was sticking out of the ground. It was like a hazard pole. So that might not have been the best idea, but I did it. And then after that, my husband's like, I got to get some gas in the car, about to run out of gas. So we go to the gas station, come back. The sign by the school was upside down. The wind had blown it upside down. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna have to figure something else out. So I get back out of the car again, and I see this piece of duct tape stuck on one of the poles, like the light pole for the light. And so I took the duct tape off the light pole. I wrapped it around, like real MacGyver-ish, the stick on the garage sale sign, and I tied that baby back on to the hazard pole. Don't do that. Yeah, probably a bad idea. Head back home to start the garage sale, and the last sign that is right on the outside of my street had the little like stick thing that was in the sign had broken, so that was toppled over. So then I had to fix that and shove it deeper into the ground. So it started off a little wobbly, right? So anyways, those were some things getting the signs. So maybe what I would recommend, if you get garage sale signs, get some that have like good posts that are gonna stick firmly into the ground, right? Or be willing to like tape up your sign somewhere. We get back to the house. So as we're pulling up, so my husband has to go to work. He's dropping my daughter and I off. We're gonna do the garage sale. As we're pulling up to our house, there's a man in his truck, and he says, where's the stuff? And I was thinking, it's already working. And so I said, well, I'm about to put it out right now. He's like, yeah, can you put it out so I can see the stuff? I said, yeah, I'm gonna go get it right now. Husband drops off, daughter and I run inside. So then I quickly start moving everything from the garage for the sale out into the driveway. And here's a couple tips of what worked well and what didn't work well. Let's start with today being Friday. Not the best idea, but I did Google, can I have a garage sale on Friday? Will people come? And it said generally people will come in the morning on a Friday, but people will still garage sale on Fridays because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and that was the day I had it set on the calendar. And I'm like, okay, I can't take the chance of the rain coming, and I did all this work for 2 weeks. So anyways, the Friday, right? Having the sale on a Friday. I mean, I guess it was good for that. I mean, people came in the morning. So I made about $38. And then my daughter made about $5 on her stuff. So, I mean, that's not too bad, right? You got to be thankful for what you get, learn your lesson. I was having fun at the beginning of the garage sale when people were coming. It was fun, and then, you know, it slowed down or whatever. Okay, so some other tips. So yeah, maybe do Saturday, obviously, is going to be like the best day for a garage sale. But if you have to do it on a Friday, do it in the morning. And then obviously put signs up. So another thing I did was I found this website that lets you post that you're gonna have a garage sale for free. So I posted that on this website. To be honest, I was in a crunch. I don't even know if it was legit. Maybe not the smartest idea, but anyways, I did it. And so yeah, I put our address, and then I put that there was gonna be, I had some vintage stuff, furniture, table and chairs, clothing, toys. What else did I put? Eccentric. Kitchen stuff. So then I posted it on there. And then after that, after maybe an hour and a half of the sale running, I uploaded an app that I used to have that you can have in your neighborhood and kind of talk to the people in your neighborhood and around the area. So on that app, I posted the garage sale as well there. So I did get one lady that saw me on the app, and she's like, where were your signs? And I'm like, well, I don't know if they've blown down by now. And I'm trying to figure out how she even knew about the garage sale. And she's like, oh yeah, I found you on an app. So, so that actually, I mean, I guess it worked for one person. She didn't buy anything. So some other tips, I did have a box of free items, and I do think that helped, because I think people are appreciative to get some things for free, and then they might look around a little bit more and grab some other stuff. So that's my takeaway with that. Like some free items might be good to encourage people, and then and just to be generous in general. And then another takeaway is, oh, my dog. People liked him. I mean, he's not jumping up on people. He's like 15 years old, so he's more mellow, he's slow, but he's sweet. So he would go up to people and they'd pet him, and he's not violent or anything like that. And just a little Boston Terrier guy. So I feel like that was a plus, because most people like sweet old dogs. And then another plus, I think just doing it with my 6-year-old daughter was sweet. It was my first garage sale as an adult and her first garage sale ever. So that was a sweet memory. She enjoyed doing it, so it was fun. So another plus of the garage sale is it forced me to clean out stuff that I've been holding on to that I don't need. So I went through boxes and tubs in the garage. I threw a lot of stuff away that I don't need, that's just like junk. Because you know when you're moving out of one place and you're moving into the next place, and sorry, it's an impersonal with the glasses on, but my makeup's smeared from the heat. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so you know when you're moving out of one house and moving into the next, and you're just sick of packing, so you just throw trash and junk and whatever in there. So that's kind of what happened. I did have some junk and some stuff that didn't need to be sitting in boxes, that just needed to be thrown. So yeah, for the past probably week and a half, I've been working in the garage every day, most days, throwing stuff, finding what I'm going to sell, and then, you know, finding what I'm going to keep. So another positive is, even if you don't sell as much as you wanted to in the garage sale, at least it forced you to get rid of some junk. Also, I am going to hold on to everything. We might try next weekend to do the sale again on a Saturday, and I will keep you updated how that goes. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the thumbs up so that I know this is enjoyable content to do on YouTube. And I will see you next time. Bye.